Hey everyone. Okay, so think of the, remember the movie Inception? Think of this as a vlog before the vlog. It was my first time unsupervised with the vlog camera. Apparently, I was a little shaky. There's some interviews that I did aren't really usable, so I thought this would be a great redo. I'm gonna reintroduce that vlog for you here. So, Matt went to Winnipeg to do a brunch, and I vlogged about it. And this is that vlog. Speaking of which, I would love to get your feedback. If you want to see like vlog content when I travel, behind the scenes when I'm doing events, behind the scenes when we're filming in the studio, like other kinds of content, a day in the life of Matt, what's that like? You tell me, the world is your oyster. So enjoy this vlog, enjoy Winnipeg, enjoy the brunch, and see you soon. And then I turn it off after. Okay, I gotta go turn it off. Ah, my knee. All right, we are in at the Fort Garry in Winnipeg. It's a very nice room. Okay, so we are at today's venue for our brunch dinner pop-up. We're at Luca's. Upstairs, it's the most Italian market in the world, and then we're downstairs. Reminds me of being like a kid going grocery shopping with my nonna. The #1 spot for brunch here in Winnipeg, Clementine Cafe. Okay, that event was awesome. I'm absolutely exhausted, but that's it. It's time to go home. Thanks so much for watching. I love doing these vlogs so you can kind of see a little glimpse into my life. It's a little embarrassing, I didn't make the bed.